For this game day, let's make some cheesy bacon mac and cheese sausage and burnt end sliders. We got this delicious bacon mac and cheese sausage from Dickey's at Home. Check the link in the description and use my code HOOKS10 for 10% off your own curated box of sausage and meats. After slicing up the sausage, we got these King's Hawaiian slider buns, took them out the package, got some garlic butter, buttered up the pan, and then buttered up the underside of these soft buns. Then we grabbed our Cache Valley Creamery mild cheddar cheese slices and layered them on the bottom side of the buns. We had to make sure there was an extra layer of flavor, so this is when we dropped in some H-Town AP. We thawed out our Dickey's at Home barbecue burnt ends, which are sauced for your pleasure, and then we started placing them on the bottom half of the buns. We're gonna do one per bun, but then we realized we had extra pieces, so why not fill in the cracks? Then we grabbed some of the bacon mac and cheese sausage and started layering them on top of the burnt end pieces. Since we're tackling this game day feast, we wanted to add an extra punch of flavor, so we sprinkled on some Midnight. With it being one of the most versatile rubs in our arsenal, we had to put it in the game. Every burnt end slider needs some sauce, so we laid it on hot and heavy. Now to top it off before putting it on the grill, we got our garlic butter and we brushed it right on top with our ThermalWorks silicone brush. Then we fired up half a chimney of rockwood charcoal, set it on the side for indirect heating in the Weber, and put these babies to sleep for about 30 minutes. Next up, we wanted to make our jalapeno ranch dipping sauce, so we went ahead and cored out a jalapeno. After coring out the jalapeno, we dirty chopped it a little bit because we're just going to be blending this up in a blender. We dropped in some cilantro. Who thinks it tastes like soap? Not me. Now we lost a little bit of footage here, but basically you throw in your jalapeno, your bunch of cilantro, some lime juice, as well as some sour cream, and then you get your favorite ranch dressing. This time it's Wishbone. Go ahead and pour in basically the whole bottle. And you top it off with some H-Town AP for a little pop of flavor. After blending it up to the consistency you like, it'll be this nice, beautiful green color. Go ahead and pour it in your squeezy bottle and let it chill for a little bit before you top your sliders. After 30 minutes, we went back to the grill and ooh, those sliders are ready, nice and toasty. So let's go ahead and pull them off. All right, so in this house, we love pickles and pickled okra. So we went ahead and skewered one on each of the sliders so it'll be nice, little, easy to pick up finger food. Now it's time for the cheese pull. I'm gonna just leave this right here. Okay, taste test time. So you got your slider, you got your jalapeno ranch. Go ahead and squeeze on as much as you want and perfection. Head to the link in our bio, order some Hooks Rub, merch, and also hit up barbecuathome.com and use code HOOKS10 for 10% off. #WeSmokeMeat, baby.